Hello everyone, welcome today in the additional, yes, on um, Freedom Day, yes, on Freedom Day today, we have here in this additional 6 extra Sudokus: letter Sudoku, 2-star Sudoku, 3-star Sudoku, 4-star Sudoku, 1 binary and 1 tectonic. And those are, well, I'm not interested other puzzles. So today I only do 3 of them: 3 stars, 4 stars, and a binary. All right. And this one, the first one, the 3-star Sudoku, will be number 3119. All right. Before I start, I always count the printed digits: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 3, 24, 25 printed digits as usual. Yes, 25 printed digits. Correct me if I'm wrong. So let's get started. Let me see. Which number can I pick? How about the number 8? A lot of 8s. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this row. One of the missing numbers is an 8. We see here an 8 in this big square, so no 8 in these 2 boxes. So the 8 could be here, or there. We see there an 8, no 8 there. Here an 8, no 8 there. The only place for the 8 should be there. 8 in this row, 8 in the row below. So the last row, only 2 places for the 8 should be here or there. We see there an 8, no 8 there. 8 should be there. 8 in this column, 8 in the column next. So in the last column, the only place for the 8 should be there. And now I cannot continue with the 8. Let me choose another digit. 4 in this column, 4 in the column next. So in that column, the only place for the 4 should be there. 3 in this row, 3 in the middle row, so in the row below, the only 2 places for the 3 should be here or there. We see there 3, no 3 there, 3 should be there. Then 4 missing numbers in this row. One of the missing numbers is 9. We see here 9 in this big square. So no 9 in these 2 boxes. So the 9 could be here, could be there. We see there 9, no 9 there. 9 should be here. Then 3 missing numbers in this row. Those missing numbers are the 1 is missing, the 2 is missing, and the 7 is missing. Well, we see here 1 in this big square, so no 1 there. We see here 2 in this column, so no 2 there. So the 1 and the 2 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. So 1 digit left in this row for the number 7. Alright. Alright. Then. How about I'm scanning. All right. Okay. 333. Yes. 6 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 3. We see here 3, no 3 in these 3 boxes. There are 3, no 3 in those 2 boxes. So the 3 could be here, could be there. So we have a 3 in this column, 3 in one of those 2 boxes in the column next. So in the last column, the only place for the 3 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square for the number 7 and 9. We see here 9, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and a 7 goes there. Two numbers left in the last column for the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 6 is missing, 7, 8, and a 9. 6 and a 9, let me mark those two boxes. The other pair in this big square should be the numbers 1 and 5. We see there 5, no 5 there, 5 should be here. And the 1 goes there. Alright. 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 Then, 3 missing numbers in this row. Those missing numbers are the 2 is missing, the 6 is missing, and the 4 is missing. And look, we have a 6 here in this column, so no 6 in this box. We have a 2 in this big square, so no 2 in this box. So the 2 and the 6 goes in those two boxes as a pair. So 1 digit left in this row for the number 4. Alright. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 missing numbers. 2 of those missing numbers are the 4 and the 6. We have a 4 and a 6 in this middle column, so no 4 and a 6 in these two boxes. The 4 and the 6 goes in those two boxes as a pair. Let me mark those two boxes. The other pair in this big square are the numbers 2 and 5. 2 and 5. We see here 2, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and a 5 goes there. Alright, so we have a 5 in this row, 5 in the row below. So in the last row, the only 2 places for the 5 should be here or there. We see there 5, no 5 there, 5 should be here. 5 in this column, 5 in the column next, the second column. So in the third column, the only place for the 5 should be there. Alright, so we have a 9 in this column, first column, 9 in the third column. So the column between the second column, the only 2 places for the 9 should be here or there. We see there 9, no 9 there, 9 should be there. Now we have a 9 there, so this box can't be 9 anymore, that box should be a 9. And this box should be a 6, alright. Then let me think. 1, 2, 3. 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 4. We see here 4, no 4 in these two boxes. So 1 box left for the 4 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 1 and 7. We see here 7, no 7 there. 7 should be here and a 1 goes there. 7 in the first column, 7 in the third column. So the column between the second column, the only place for the 7 should be there. 2 numbers left in this row for the numbers 1, 2, 3. 4 is missing and a 6 is missing. 4 and a 6. We see here 4, no 4 there. 4 should be here and a 6 goes there. Now we have a 6 here. So this box can't be 6 anymore. That box should be a 6 and this box should be a 2. Now we have a 2 there. So this box can't be 2 anymore. That box should be a 2. And this box should be a 1. 1 box left in this big square for the number 3. 1 box left in the first column. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 6 is missing. Yes, 6 is missing. So we have a 6 in this row, first row, 6 in the third row. So in the row between the second row, the only 2 places for the 6 should be here or there. We see there 6, no 6 there, 6 should be here. 2 numbers left in this column for the numbers 3 and 7. 3 and a 7 are missing in this column. We see here 7, no 7 there, 7 should be here and a 3 goes there. Alright, 3 in the first row, 3 in the second row. So in the third row, the only 3 places for the 3 should be here or there. We see there 3, no 3 there. Here 3, no 3 there. The only place for the 3 should be there. And all the 3s are used. I can see. This is number 1, number 3. Alright. Alright. 2 numbers left in this row for the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 6 is missing and the 8 is missing. 6 and the 8. We see there 6, no 6 there. 6 should be here and the 8 goes there. Now we have a 6 there. So this box can be 6 anymore. That box should be a 6 and this box should be a 4. And all the 6s are used. I can see. This is number 2, number 6. All right. 3 missing numbers in this big square. Those missing numbers are the 1 is missing, the 5 is missing, the 9 is missing. Well, I cannot fill this yet. Need to wait. 159, 159. No, need to wait. How about yeah, the 8 in this column, the 8 in the middle column, so the column next. The only 3 places for the 8 should be here, or there. We see there an 8, no 8 there. Here an 8, no 8 there. Only place for the 8 should be there. And all the 8s are used. I can see. This is number 3, number 8. I'm thinking. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 179, 9. Yes, 3 missing numbers in this middle column. Those missing numbers are the 1 is missing, the 9 is missing, and the 7 is missing. Well, we see here 9, so no 9 there. Here 9, no 9 there. So the only place for the 9 should be there. 2 numbers left, the 1 and the 7. I cannot fill this yet. Let me wait. Okay, so we have a 9 in this row. Third row, 9 in the second row. So in the first row, the only place for the 9 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 1 and 5. We see here 5, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and a 1 goes there. 2. Yeah, 2 missing numbers in the third row. Those missing numbers are the 2 and a 7. No. 2 and a 4. 2 and a 4. Can I fill this? Yes, 2 and the 4. We have a 4 here, so no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers are 1 and 2. 1 and 2. We see here 2, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and a 1 goes there. 4 missing numbers in this big square. These 2 numbers in the first row are the missing numbers 1 and 5. 1 and 5 are missing. We see here 1, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and a 5 goes there. 2 missing numbers in this big square. 1, 2, 3. The 4 is missing, and the 7 is missing. 4 and a 7. We see here 4, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and a 7 goes there. 1 number left in the middle column for the number 1. Yes, and the 5. No 2 numbers in this big square. The 5 and the 7 are missing. We see here 7. No 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 5 goes there. Finish in 30 minutes. Wow, I'm very well pleased with the time. Yes, because for 3 stars Sudoku, I need 20 to 30 minutes to solve, and I've solved this in 30 minutes, so I'm very well pleased with the time, and I like this one. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you later with the second Sudoku, a 4-star Sudoku it will be. See you then. Bye bye for now.